be doing a long-awaited announcement video. So you guys, I've been like teasing this announcement, like what's going on. Big life change in my life. Some of you guys have guessed it right. Some of you guys have been way out to lunch. Some of you guys have been close. And a drum roll, please. Like, let's just get into it because I don't want to make this super long. It's just announcing a huge thing in my life, and I'm honestly nervous and I'm so excited. Basically, what the I'm engaged! Literally, my life. Oh my god, I can't. I have been like killing myself trying to keep this a secret from you guys. I have some vlogs where I'm gonna be posting where I'm wearing the ring, so I wanted to be able to like tell you guys here before you guys just saw it. I wanted to give like a proper announcement video. I'm not trolling. This isn't a joke. I'm not pranking you guys. This is real life, and I'm so excited. If you guys want me to do a whole story time on how he proposed or anything like that, I will definitely do that, but I just want to do like just an announcement video right now. Make this short and sweet. Peep the ring. Oh my god, it not even focusing. Like, look at the glitter. Look, glitter. The ring is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I bet like everyone just really wants to see that. I hope I'm like getting it right in focus for you guys. Let me zoom in more. I have a nail appointment in like a half an hour here, so I know that these are very grown out, but I wanted to show you guys with these nails because these were the nails that I got engaged with, and they're still holding up pretty good, but I really wanted to show you guys this with these nails. Like, so beautiful. If you guys want to know any kind of details with the ring, my hands are so dry. Also, it's been like -40 here for like 2 weeks straight, like literally since we've been back from the Dominican. Basically, it happened, I'm just gonna say just quickly, it happened in the Dominican. I told my mom, my bestie, my dad, my brother, my other bestie, but for my extended family and stuff, Austin and I are just gonna like both do a Facebook post for our family. Some people are like, you're glowing, like what is this glow about you and stuff like that. Yeah, so some of you guys guessed it right. Some of you guys thought I was pregnant. Other people thought I was moving to the States or quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting YouTube at all. I have so many vlogs coming and I can't wait to share with you guys, but this is just literally my life. I'm so excited for it and I'm so happy.
Yeah!
I love you.
I love you.
Oh my god, I'm wearing lip stuff, so.
I love you, baby.
You're gonna be wearing lip gloss now.
It's official.
Yay!
Hey!
Wedding.
Yeah.
We don't have any ideas for, or we have ideas, but like we don't have anything planned for the wedding yet. So if anyone's gonna ask that, we don't know yet.
Yeah,
we just have like,
it'll come in time.
Yes. We're just enjoying the engagement and being together. And right before our 5-year anniversary.
Yeah.
So that's the tea. And I'm so excited. I didn't think it was ever gonna happen. I love you.
I love you, baby.
I've been like this filming, or I've taken it off just to film and stuff like that, or like cameos, I've taken it off. Snapchat pictures, I go like this, or I just go like this, or hide it in my hair or something. So I've been low-key hiding it from you guys. So basically it happened our 3rd day in the Dominican, and it happened at sunset, right before sunset on the beach. And yes, that's all I'm gonna say. And I'm gonna share with you guys some pictures right here, and I'll tell you guys more of the whole story time and show you guys more of the pictures when, I don't know when. If you guys want to see it, I'll do a story time on it, but it's like so amazing. So so thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm gonna go get my nails done now. I think I'm gonna do like a pink or a pink sparkle or something like that. PiinkSparkles. But yes, I'm so sick of hiding this from you guys. I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Oh, and I got the ring light going. I got a new ring light, so we're all good. Peep the ring, everyone. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next video. Wedding video is coming. Bye. I'm a full ass fiance.